Hi, I'm Justin Conroy with Radix. We'd like to welcome you to our ARC Forum exclusive content page. You may be wondering, who is Radix? We're a global engineering and technology solutions consultant. Our multidiscipline team has more than 30 years of collective engineering, technology, automation, and consulting domain expertise with experience in numerous markets including energy, power, manufacturing, facilities, finance, education, and transportation. So what does Radix do? Well, we leverage today's cutting-edge digital innovations to connect you to your physical environment and your lifecycle business operations. We bring real digital change and a lifetime of meaningful business results. What does that mean? Well, simply put, we empower you to make better decisions and to do more effectively by giving you better visibility into your day-to-day operations and enabling you to optimize your resources and environment to meet your short-term and long-term strategic objectives. While you're here, please feel free to access below any of the selected content we've added for your review. We hope that you enjoy what we've prepared for you, and if you have any questions or need additional information, please don't hesitate to contact us.